Germany has been the economic powerhouse of Europe for the last 50 years. The nation's superb engineering, fine styling and high productivity rates have been the envy of the world, and its powerful industrial output has underpinned the strength of the European Union and the Euro. But now, just as the UK withdraws its own considerable economic contribution from the EU, I wonder if German manufacturing is about to suffer a Nokia or a Kodak moment, an economic inflection point that will change everything. Famously, Nokia was the world's largest maker of mobile phones until Apple produced the iPhone in 2007. Then, inside a few years, Nokia was almost bankrupt and the company was broken up. And Kodak was the world's largest manufacturer of cameras and film, until digital cameras became popular in the late 1990s. Then, digital cameras were built into every mobile phone. Kodak went bankrupt. Strangely, I was there on both occasions. In 2006, I warned Nokia's CEO, Jorma Ollila, that a smartphone built with a software interface could wipe out Nokia's market lead. He smiled at me as if he thought such a thing impossible. But in the same year, he left Nokia to become the chairman of a large oil company. And in 1995, I warned Kodak CEO George Fisher that mass-market digital imaging could kill Kodak. "We're on top of digital," he told me dismissively. And you know what happened to Kodak. The problem that caught out both Nokia and Kodak is known as the innovator's dilemma. This is the difficulty that market-leading incumbents have in shifting to a new technology that threatens to erode their existing, more profitable business model. Nokia didn't want to undermine its own highly successful keyboard phones, and Kodak didn't want to undermine its immensely profitable analog camera sales and film business. So others did it for them. Germany now faces the prospect of losing its global lead in car production, a significant part of German industrial output and its number one export. As the world starts to switch to electric vehicles, Tesla and the changing model of mobility Tesla represents threatens to completely change how we purchase our road travel. Soon, city people will be consuming mobility instead of buying cars. But it isn't just one innovative American car company that is threatening Germany's industrial lead. It's a paradigm shift to how stuff itself is made, all stuff. What has happened is that all industry is now becoming software-based, and Germany is not a leader when it comes to digital. Whether a company is producing locomotives, heavy machinery or elevators, software now plays a key role in designing the products and in their production. The aim is to combine robotics, machine learning, cloud computing, big data and the Internet of Things to create smart factories capable of better, more efficient production. Chinese and American companies are making massive use of huge volumes of data and AI analysis to meet consumer needs in the way that Germany has yet to do. In short, it's the digital era, when technologies such as data mining and artificial intelligence, not engineering rigor, will determine winners and losers. This has huge consequences for the value of industrial output. For example, Apple is now worth more than Germany's 30 leading stock market companies combined. Of course, German industry is not a single-purpose company like Nokia or Kodak, but I can see an inflection point arriving, and I'm not sure that Germany will be able to navigate around it. The corruption and insouciance of Germany's car makers has been revealed in recent years. We now know they have been conning governments and consumers about emission standards and fuel consumption figures. Germany's auto industry has also been very dismissive about the new paradigms of electric and self-driving vehicles. But now they're scrambling to catch up. I'm a believer in the European Union, and I am very sad that the UK has foolishly voted to withdraw from membership. But it would be doubly sad if, just when the UK's economic strength is needed, we have left at the time when the only other rock-solid large economy in the EU is about to wobble.